Yeah, look at this mess. 15 inches of snow this time. Yeah, had an unfortunate relapse when I was being shut in, so I'm kind of feeling a little shaky. People don't let this happen to you. You don't want to relapse just because it snowed 15 inches. Anyway, I'm just making a quick video with my phone. Figured I'd show you a little bit about how terrible it is out here. You've got to shovel the driveway just to get it going on. Check it out. I'll return to making long form videos here directly. Just figured I'd make this short. It's just too damn cold and I got to get to work out here, so guys, take it easy.